Today we're going to show you how you can run this mini split air conditioner with this little generator. Being able to run this mini split with this little generator will save you in case of a power outage during a freeze or a really hot day. Being prepared for emergencies is #1 priority, and especially if you have elder people at home or young kids, why not turn one of your rooms into a safe room? Add a mini split air conditioner and keep one of these guys in your garage. Now this is a Yamaha inverter generator. It's a 2000 watt generator. This thing weighs practically nothing. Even grandma can draw it out of the garage. You'll set it right next to the unit. First thing we do is open this and pull the disconnect. This is gonna disengage the air conditioner from the breaker panel in case the power comes back on while we're running the generator. We made this special cable that will run from this modified disconnect that's got a generator plug. It's twist and lock, and then we go ahead and turn on our generator. Nice thing about the inverter generators is that they're really quiet. So once this starts running, we go ahead and plug in our extension cable, and that powers our mini split. Let's go ahead and go turn on the mini split inside so that we can get it running. And the mini split, as you can tell, is off. We're gonna go ahead and turn it on and drop the temperature so it starts cooling right away. Oh, the unit just kicked on and it's slowly gonna start ramping up. These units have really low startup amperage. Started right around 4 amps. Now we're getting about 7.87, almost 8 amps. Nice thing about low startup amperage is that it doesn't bug down generators or battery banks like a regular system would. Let's go ahead and check and see what the voltage we're running. We're at 121 volts. And just under 8 amps. We got 7.93 amps at 122 volts, 967 watts. This is a 2000 watt generator, so we're still less than halfway there and have room for a refrigerator, for lighting, internet router, a television. Perfectly comfortable inside this office or safe room in case of an emergency.